Hello everyone in cyber world. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. If you like the content of our video, please hit that subscribe button below and leave us a comment.
So this week we made this beautiful live edge display case for 3D models. It's a hobby that I recently picked up, but I've been making more and more of these and I ran out of space, so what better thing to build than a display case to show them off. This was actually now one of my new favorites, and it wasn't all that difficult to build, but let's take a look at how we did this.
We're starting the project off with the random pieces of monkey pod wood.
We wanted the pieces to look natural, so I didn't bother squaring everything up and making it perfect.
Mr. Poorman randomly cut the vertical pieces.
I had to spend a lot of time sanding to remove the burn marks from the table saw blade. Next, I placed a strip of frog tape on the workbench, then measured and marked where I would be placing the vertical rods. To maintain a natural look, I did not plane any of the shelves. Because of this, each shelf had varied thicknesses. This in turn meant that I had to measure and cut each notch for the lap joints one at a time to ensure an accurate fit.
Mr. Poorman used a wire brush to clean the wood to get all the dirt and grime out of it. Now that all the pieces are clean, it's time for Mr. Poorman to glue them all together.
As many of you may know, we are huge fans of using epoxy. However, epoxy would make it shine and it wouldn't look natural, so we went with polyurethane. Although you're not supposed to shake polyurethane, I did so in order to create a few bubbles and make the surfaces so that they're not too smooth.
We saturated the wood with 2 coats of polyurethane and then removed the drips.
Once it fully dried, I removed excess polyurethane using my Dremel. Because we wanted this shelf to lay flat against the wall, we simply drilled holes in it to hang it on.
There was one last check to see if it was level. And there you have it. This project wasn't as difficult as we thought it would be. The shelving came out beautifully and we're really impressed with it and we love it in our hallway.
We hope you enjoyed it as well. Next week, we actually have multiple projects going on at the same time, so whichever one we finish first is what we're going to make a video for next week. So until we meet again,
Bye-bye.